Exercise 916. So the skating club used straight line depreciation for a used Zamboni that cost $43,500. They assumed it would have a useful life of 4 years and a $5,000 trade-in value. After 2 years, they changed their estimates. They determined that it still had 3 more years left. So it was originally 4 years. After 2 years, it should have only had 2 years remaining, but they determined that it had 3 more years left. And then the trade-in value was also going to be different. Instead of $5,000, it was now going to be $3,850 after the extra year. So we are to calculate the book value at the end of the second year. So the book value would be the cost less the trade-in value. And then we would divide that, because they used straight line depreciation, by 4 years to get what the annual depreciation was. So the $43,500 minus $5,000 divided by 4, so depreciation would be $9,625 per year. Now they would have taken the first 2 years of depreciation, so we multiply that by 2. So a total of $19,250 of depreciation would have been taken in the first 2 years. The current book value then is the cost, $43,500, less the depreciation taken to date, which would leave us with $24,250. Then in Part 2, calculate the amount of depreciation to be charged during each of the remaining years of its revised useful life. So when we have a change in one of our estimates, either useful life, residual value, or both, we don't go back and change anything in the past. We are just going to change the new amount for the future. So this amount of depreciation, $9,625, would have been taken in the first 2 years. I'm going to leave that as is. Going forward, however, we're going to take the current book value, which is the $43,500, the original cost, less the depreciation that's already been taken. And then from that, we're going to subtract the new residual value of $3,850, and we're going to divide that by the new remaining useful life. So they have 3 more years. That gives us then our new depreciation amount. So in the first 2 years, there would have been $9,625 taken per year of depreciation. For the remaining 3 years, there will be $6,800 taken in depreciation.